Hello everybody, Jack Trademaster here. Of course you know what that means, Jack of all trades, master of none. Another beautiful October day here. You can see the leaves are changing. Got another surprise for you, something I found at a garage sale, or an estate sale, just down the street. This is what I found for all you who like bikes. I found a Sequoia Specialized road bike. Aluminum frame, premium, very light. Tires were kind of flat. It was dirty. Didn't pay a whole lot for it. I mean, you know, $25. And brought it home, pumped up the tires, took it out for a spin. Couldn't figure out how to switch gears. Very interesting. Not used to this kind of bike, but right here on the handlebar, the brake handle, you actually push in and it changes the gear. Also, this little lever here does it. So, very interesting. Very cool. Shifts very smooth. Rides nice. And, yeah, pretty nice. Just thankful to find it. So anyway, got a lot to do today. Got some garden work I gotta finish up and clean up. So, Jack Trademaster signing out. God bless you all. Have a good day.